If you could collaborate with other OPM artists within Coke Studio, again, past or present, who would you want to work with? And why? Well, and why?
Okay, go.
Pwede naman.
Go, Stacks.
From the...
I would say player 2. Sobrang talented ng player 2.
Oh.
As in,
Exactly.
first time ko matry yung pumasok ako sa recording studio, wala akong alam na lyrics, basta mag-hum lang ako. Tapos yun na yung bubuo ng kung anong pwedeng lyrics, ganyan. Wala, anong tawag sa ganon? Yung parang, ganon. Parang sila yung nag-introduce, sa kanila ko nalaman yung pwede palang ganon. Kahit wala ka pang naiisip na lyrics, pwede mong gawin yun, mag-hum ka lang, and pwede ka nang makabuo. So, ako, sila yung gusto kong makakolab ulit.
Ako, siguro, ibang P-pop group din.
Alamat.
Kasi ang dami na, di ba, rising P-pop groups and yung mga friends namin sa P-pop, we really look forward to collaborate with them with Coke. Hopefully, malay mo P-pop edition for next season. Why
Note
not?
number 2, please.
Ako naman, siguro yung band na it all started in May.
Oh, I love them.
Yes. Kasi parang sobrang binabalik nila yung ganong type
That
of...
feel.
Yes.
Yes.
Oo, yung ganon.
Nostalgia.
There we go.
Yeah, I love them.
Ako same with Stacy, player 2.
Yeah.
When we worked with them, as in sobrang good vibes lang. Tapos they're very easy to work with. Tapos mga Bisaya
Bisaya
pa sila.
pride.
Oo.
Good na.
So, sana they're given more recognition and more opportunities pa kasi magaling din talaga sila.
Ang songs nila din.
Yeah, maganda yung songs nila.
True. Very true.
Ako din, player 2.
Hey.
No, kasi nga sobrang vibe ko yung song na yon na ginawa namin with them. Bata, yeah, the cover, yung parang,
Rap parts nila.
first time ko kasi magsulat ng verse na hindi rap,
Yeah.
na may tono, na maghahanap talaga ng tono. So parang, that was a nice experience with them because they were so helpful and so humble. Yeah.
For me, Alamat. We actually
Oh.
worked with them before, pero we miss them. Hindi, pero talagang gusto rin namin yung branding ng Alamat. Very Pinoy talaga. Isa rin sila sa grabe, mahal na mahal yung kultura ng Pilipinas.
Pero discography ng Alamat.
Yes,
So
we love
true.
their songs and Alamat. So yes, Alamat.
Ako, Apple the App or Al James.
Pwede.
Yeah. Para magbigay ng bagong flavor sa Bini. And feeling ko dati kasi, music namin natin, parang, ay, biglang may Al James. Parang iniisip mo gano'n. Pero ngayon, parang feeling ko mas tumpak na kaya na eh. So, ang cute lang. Parang sobrang different vibe talaga. So, shocking siya. If ever. Go lang. If ever.
If ever. Period.
Sorry.
Ako din Alamat. Kasi, friends po kami. So, madali na yung process if ever.
That bond just makes it happen
Yes,
easily.
oo. Sobrang galing nila mag-write ng songs and produce.
Yeah. Alamat discography is very
Yes,
just
check
top
it out.
tier.
Talaga.
Consistent sila sa branding nila.
Oh.